Hey, what's up guys, this is Roy and welcome to another brand new video. And on my hand this is Xiaomi Redmi Mi 4A phone, and it supports dual hybrid SIM. Means either it can take two SIM card or a SIM card and a SD card. So that's the concept of dual hybrid SIM. But we did a hack. So this is an adapter that's I inserted a SIM. So using this adapter we can overcome the limitation of using either two SIMs or one SIM and one SD card. Now here we can use two SIM as well as one SD card. So as you see guys, here is two network and this is the SD card. Now I'm getting few comments. This trick is not working on Android Pie version 9. So I have a Poco phone which is I think Android 9. Let me show you guys. About phone. Okay, Android version 9. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to these same tricks on this phone and find out like is it work or not. So this is Poco F1 Armor Edition. This is my primary daily driver for last 4-5 months and it's working awesome. Like I am happy with this phone and it has 256 GB storage, so I don't need to do this kind of hack. But let me try it guys and see is this thing working on this Android 9 or not. And this phone I think and this one is running on Android 7. So first we're going to turn the phone off, power off. Next we're going to remove this adapter. We need a SIM ejector. So guys, as you see on this SIM tray we have a SIM, this is the SD card and this is the adapter that's attached on here. So inside this we have another SIM, and if we insert this whole thing inside a phone which support dual hybrid SIM, we can now have two SIM working, both of these two SIM working, and also a SD card working. So this is the main trick. And this Poco phone also supported dual hybrid SIM. So as you see, two SIMs, one is Jio, another one is Vodafone. Now we're going to turn off the phone and eject the SIM tray. Let's turn it off, power off. Let's power off. And here is the SIM tray ejector hole. Insert the SIM tray. Now both of the SIM is out. Now we're going to put a memory card here. So now we need to put it inside the phone. It's really hard to do all of these things while I'm filming. Let's put it inside. Okay. Now everything inserted. Now turn on the phone. Now as you see guys, it's detected the SD card 8 GB and this is the mobile network. Now I'm going to test this adapter and see whether it works with Android Pie or not. So you need to place it here over this SIM card like this way, okay? And put a SD card here. Now I think I successfully inserted the adapter. Now turn the mobile phone on. Now as you see guys, here I have two networks, two mobile network is because of two SIMs, and now I'm going to use ES Explorer. Yes. Okay. So here is the SD card and this is running on Android 9. And here Sujesh commented, you cannot do this anymore on Android Pie version 9. Sujesh, it's working on Android Pie with this Poco F1. So there is probably some problem with your phone, and maybe there is some software implemented limitation on your particular firmware that you are using. This trick is not working on Samsung phone anymore. So let me know guys which phone you are using. So Umar, he is using S8 and previously it's working on S8. Okay, after upgrade it not working. So as you see guys, this dual SIM plus SD card trick is working on this Poco F1 which is running on Android 9 without any problem guys. So if you guys facing any problem with this adapter, make sure you align it perfectly. and make sure there is no software limitation that imposed by your phone company. So guys, that's it for today, and if you guys want to buy this adapter, I'll leave all of this cheapest link in the description below. So guys, if you want it, check the description. So guys, that's it for today. Hope you like this video. If you like it, make sure to smack a big thumbs up on this video. Meet with you on my next video. And if you guys have any question, any suggestion, let me know in the comment section below. I definitely answer every one of your questions. That being said, my name is Abhijit Roy. I'm signing out. Meet with you on my next video. Till then, bye bye.